I see a lot of fitness and wellness businesses start off with just an Instagram profile or a Facebook page, and that's fine. It gets the ball rolling, it gets your name out there, and it's a very efficient way for potential leads and clients to communicate with you. The problem with that is as you start growing, your inbox is going to get massive and you'll end up spending so many hours a week answering the same thing over and over that you're going to look for a better way to manage everything. And this all starts with a Fitoon website. Let me show you how this website becomes your hub for everything your studio and your fitness business, and how a new client and existing clients interact with it to save you time. Over here on our website, let's imagine I'm a new client. So I land here and I'm like, oh yeah, this is all the information for FitNation Studio. Fantastic. I'm reading why you do what you do. But I'm like, well, what kind of classes do they offer? So I can jump over to the schedule. I can see your class calendar. I can see it for the week, the month, whatever I want. I can check out all the classes that you're offering. I can book myself. I can then jump over to events and I can discover the events that are being held across your any studios if you have multiple locations. I can also see the appointments that you're offering. So if I'm interested in Pilates rehab, I can jump in, check it out. I can say, oh yeah, I want to book this. And I can also see the staff member that provides the service and their schedule for any given day based off of the availability that you set in Fitoon. And I can schedule and book that myself without having to message you. And this is such a time saver. And then moving forward, out of that, we can jump into, again, any courses that you're offering, any videos, whether they're free or paid, will show up here as well. And all of your membership packages will be easily accessible for anyone to look through, weigh their options, and sign up if they wanted to. And then once they're clients, they'll be able to manage all of their bookings from within the admin section inside of your website. This gives an absolutely amazing customer experience and it's so convenient. I love being able to book myself and then manage my own bookings, upload my payment information, pay automatically, all of this without having to, send you a million messages. I can do it conveniently from wherever I'm at. So this is the Fitoon website. And to get all of this done, you're going to start inside of Fitoon. And in the admin, you're going to go down to website. You have a few options here. The first one is design. And in design, I'm going to click customize. And once I'm inside of the customization section, I can begin changing out the logo. So I could add my own personalized logo, which is also the icon that shows up as your clients start downloading the mobile app. This is the little mobile app icon as well. I could update my brand name, and I can begin adding or removing sections to my website. For example, the banner with text section is exactly that. It's my homepage banner that shows up as soon as you visit the homepage. It's this section right here. So I have an image, a headline, text, and a CTA button, call to action. So here's my image. I could swap that. I could change the title, the subheading, and the CTA link. And every other section is as easy to edit as this. Do you want to add a section with just an image on the right or the left and some text? You can do that. You want to add a button? Just plug in the text you want on the button, and that's it. You want to add multiple columns within a section? You can do that as well. Here's a 3-column section that looks like this once it's done. Do you want to add some links? For example, these links right here, which are these links. You can add them here as well. And when you're ready, let's say, you know what? I really want these links at the bottom of the page. Click, drag, move it to the bottom, save it. And once it's saved, all I have to do is reload the page. Mind you, no developers needed, no programmers needed. Scroll all the way down, and here are my links. They moved without me having to pay anyone. So The website's extremely easy to customize. You can also change out a lot of different preferences here as well, like if you want a light theme or a darker theme, what you want your primary and secondary colors to be, your heading and your body fonts, any schedule preferences. For example, let's say you preferred a calendar view for your classes. Let me save that, go back to my website, visit my schedule, reload the page, and once it's reloaded, I'll see all of my classes in a calendar view. And if you don't like that, you can just go back to the list view, save it, reload the page, and it's updated. It can't be made any simpler for you. So you have a lot of preferences in your navigation. Sometimes you won't offer videos, for example. You could go over here to your navigation, toggle the status to hidden, go back to your website, reload, and the video button is now hidden in your navigation. You could do that for any one of these buttons. If you don't offer the service or the product, you can remove it very easily. And in domain settings, let's imagine you had a custom domain, fitnation.com, and you wanted to add that domain. So your website, your FitTune website would be available on that domain. You can do that here. Just follow the steps and it's done. And this is how easily you could have a personalized website that helps you get bookings done, that helps you get scheduling done, that helps you sell memberships, and that helps your clients book themselves, do all of the admin work for all of their bookings and their memberships without having to reach out to you. They're just going to very, very conveniently just show up to class. We make that extremely easy for you with the FitTune website.